I know I haven't recorded in a while because it's been like almost a month and 2 weeks and shit. But I'm back, you know. We got 2 trucks right there, my house and shit. But so something happened to my truck, you know. I was at school and shit, leaving already. It was 2:10 already, and I was about to go home and shit. And then this happened. Shit. They hit my truck and shit. Here's the fucking HD pad and shit. So yeah, I'm gonna get paid so I can fix it and shit already. And not only that, but like 2 days before that shit, my tranny went out and shit. But it's all good, you know. It's part of the build. But we gotta see this truck over there, my brother's. I'll show you guys what happened with those builds. But I don't know. We need to get ready for fucking those shows on April. They're gonna start in April and shit. And look at that bullshit. Fucking hanging that shit. Look, that shit fell. We got my fucking hood all fucking fucked up and shit. I'll turn the camera so you guys can see well and shit. So yeah, they hit my fucking bumper. I'm gonna just get everything new and then new headlights and the fucking brackets and shit. Cause that shit broke. Like they don't clip it no more right there. I know it's just one, but it's better to have it new and then I need to rewrap this shit. But while I'm doing this, I'm gonna color match everything myself. But let me know if y'all think I should wrap it again or paint it black or gray again. But yeah, here's the HD pad. And my tranny works like perfectly fine going forward. Well, I can't go past 45, you know, but what's it called? You know, I can still drive always 45 and shit. So I can pretty much go around the square and everywhere besides this outside and be perfectly fine. But see this truck in the other end, the computer blew, it's all good. Gonna fix it soon. And my brother's truck perfectly fine. The good working truck, he just need a color match. He just got new stocks. Just that he has the old one still, but he wants to add new ones. He wants to fix that dent. Small little things. He don't got a tailgate. He's looking for one right now. Square boy stickers. He's looking for one because, man, we're using the go-kart and they hit his truck and shit. But it's all good. We're gonna find a new tailgate to install. All right, we're back at it again, guys. We're out here dropping Orlando's truck.
What a sick truck, my boy.
Oh yeah.
Square boys.
So right here, look, lined up.
That's good.
I actually couldn't make it because I told you guys, know your verse. But we're dropping Orlando's truck. He just got this. He did a GMC swap.
Then if I had driven, I'd come and park over here too. I'm like that nigga. You can just walk over here.
Damn, shot is my truck or not?
Yeah.
Can I go? Yeah.
Yeah.
You took out the shock?
Yeah.
Yep, I think my bro's just coming to park here. There you go.
Look,
But yeah,
just
let you guys know when we have the flip kit on. Right here. He just came by. We got Jill just parking here, fucking dumbass. Go get the pizza.
I'm hungry, bro. I ain't shit all day.
Alright, I'm gonna end the video so we can hear music and finish quickly. Guys, we're back. We got these tweeters and shit. We're about to install. Well, they're almost done getting installed and shit. Just need more speaker wire and shit. We're out here drinking some ice and doing mechanic. We forgot to show you fucking the finished product of the drop truck. As you can see, it's not here no more.
We got the new
But look.
Oh yeah, if you're not subscribed, don't.
Hey, check him off. He's not subscribed. But look. Damn, you can't. That's how bright they are, bro. You can't really see the L. You can see it right here.
He's not subscribed.
But
check him out.
we just need this one. There we go. Oh. You can tell. Joe, did you get it? Okay, we just needed this part. But we're drinking some mics and shit. Cause we're at home.
Hey, why did it smell burnt?
Hey, hold on, run it back. We ain't drinking Mike.
Yeah.
This is Capri Sun party. Capri Sun
Oh.
party. I can't smell.
Corte. Throw it back on. This shit looks badass. You wanna turn it on for... Oh shit, that shit looks badass. Oh, there we go.
Okay, he's gonna give them to me. We're just trying them on right now.
That shit looks badass. Clean as rims. Must be nice. Yeah, I got stocks in the back. Nah. Strike. We got Ian's truck and then my fucking Chris's. And then we got my brother's and then Caesar's. But we finished that and then I finished my I got some tweeters to make my shit louder. Got these. Fuck yeah. They're 10 times better. But yeah. I'm back in SA. I'm sorry I took off the sticker. Pretty clean. Something big before that shit happened. Todo chueco and shit that I like. But we back. We're getting better. Car wash, guys. Aquí andamos. Hey, chill out, chill out.
What the?
My bad. Ooh. You got the XG. I'm gonna show you guys how my fucking speakers sound. I got these. Cause why not? Unas palabras sabias.
Truck tried getting robbed. They tried to steal it today.
Oh yeah, they tried to rob this truck today.
They pulled out the receipts.
Well, what? Show them the key that we painted.
Look,
Nah.
they're taking it.
Fucking.
Now we got this donk.
Pinche ratas. Oh look, color match key. Look. Shit. Oh yeah, they already know.
They already seen the.
We got that. It's okay. It's a young.
Hey, did you ever go there? Tell back on?
I knew we were about to. That would only do is stop.
Boys.
Chris, what have you gotten today? What have you gotten this week? Oh shit. Oh yeah. But Chris got double sunroof. Chris got double sunroof, some light. Mira. Sí. God damn. Check it out, check it out. Wow. Clean. We got this. We got a new Valen. Soon I'm gonna get new bumper and everything because it crashed me. But I'm gonna show you guys how it sounds. Corte. That's how it sounds, guys. That's how it sounds. Todo parqueado and shit. Some light. But that's how it sounds, guys. Ahorita a ver qué pedo. Verga. ¿Qué dices, güey? ¿Qué dices? Acá andamos ya. Acá andamos.